Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate step-by-step guide to achieving a salon-style manicure right at your home. Our first step is the nail soak. Start by filling a bowl with warm water and add a splash of vinegar. This magic combo helps to soften your cuticles and prepare your nails for the pampering that lies ahead. Soak your fingertips for about 5 minutes and trust me, you'll feel like you're in a luxurious spa. Once your nails are beautifully soaked, it's time for step 2, the nail scrub. Grab a small bowl and mix baking soda and lemon juice. This dynamic duo forms a gentle yet effective exfoliator that will slug away any dry or dead skin on your nails and fingers. Use a soft toothbrush gently, scrub your nails and cuticles, and rinse off the mixture. Now it's time to nourish your nails and cuticles with some much needed moisture. Take a few drops of vitamin E and mix it a small amount of castor oil. Massage this heavenly mixture into your cuticles and nails. This step helps to promote healthy nail growth and keeps your cuticles hydrated. Trust me, your hands will feel as soft as silk. Now let's move on to step 4. Using a cuticle pusher, gently push back your cuticles. This helps to relieve the natural beauty of your nails bed and create a smooth canvas for your nail polish or nail art. Here's a little tip. Be careful not to cut your cuticles as they protect your nails from bacteria and infection. For any remaining dirt, gently clean your nails with a nail brush, ensuring they're squeegee clean. Here's where the fun begins. Trim your nails to your desired length and shape using a nail clipper and then file them. Ensure you file in one direction to avoid any splitting. Next, grab a buffing block and gently buff the surface of your nails. This will help to soothe any ridges and create a perfect canvas for your nail polish. Finally, use a shine buffer to give your nails an irresistible sparkle. And for the last step, adding a splash of color or creativity to your nails. Apply a base coat first, which helps to protect your natural nails from staying and ensuring a long-lasting manicure. Then, go wild with your favorite nail polish shade or unleash your inner artist with dazzling nail art. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to achieve a salon-style manicure at home. Not only this will save you time and money, but you will also have the satisfaction of knowing that you did it all by yourself. So get ready to flaunt those fabulous nails and let your creativity shine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye bye.